Hi beautiful people, today I'll be teaching us on how to get music or sounds on your videos or vlogs on YouTube without getting a copyright. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're just coming across my video for the very first time, please do what to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for coming to my channel. Let's dive in. If this is how to post a video on YouTube without getting a copyright, a video that has a sound without getting a copyright. You know those videos that you make and you don't have no sound for it, like they're like vlogs or all this just videos of yourself doing one or two, and you don't just want to post it there because of course it's very boring to just watch a vlog or a video without a sound or a music. So this is how you are able to get music or sound on your vlog without copyright. And you can't just go out there and get any music because you will get a strike definitely from YouTube, because this music and videos, the owners have already put it on YouTube and they have been monetized with it, and YouTube are already paying them. They have the ownership to that particular sound or music. But there are some videos that are set aside on YouTube that YouTube have copyright access to, that you can just use them and you are very free from any copyright music strike. So just watch this video to the end as I'll be explaining this with a screen record of how I post my video or my short or a vlog that I want to post that doesn't have no music, or that has a music that I don't want that has a copyright on it, on how I will make it get on YouTube without any form of copyrighted music. Watch the screen record, guys. Thank you. So guys, this is the screen record. Go to your YouTube. If you've been posting on YouTube, you should know that you will use this plus button, yes, to go to your pictures. For the sake of this tutorial, I will just use a normal video of my, let me say the one to use. I will just use a normal video that I'm probably just vibing. Yes, you see, but I'm just vibing without a music, and this will be so boring to get it on YouTube without any form of music. And I can't just go out there and get any music because I will get a sound copyright. So this is how to get your music without the copyright of any sound, because YouTube have some music. So this is me going ahead to make the video more interesting by just writing my name. Just click on that right up. You are able, that place that has the A capital letter and the small letter A, you are able to just type your name there. Yes guys, that's the plus on this tutorial. So then you go to the sound. When you get to the sound, click on recommended. Guys, don't go beyond and above recommended. You see that place that I highlighted recommended? Yes, all those music you are seeing right here has no copyrights. All these sounds are free from copyright. They are the ones that YouTube has recommended that you can actually use without any form of sound copyright strike or anything. Probably these people have given YouTube access and permission for them to put this particular music or sound on its platform without them violating them or anything. So this is it. I just put this music this somewhere only. When you get there, make sure you choose a music that has a lot of views. As you watch, I choose that one because it's the music that has the most views that I just search, because you're looking for something that has already gone viral. Don't go there and look for click on the music that has only 50 views, whereas there are music that people had used and the videos have over 1 million, 500k, 900k. Those are the kind of videos you should be going music you should be going for. So then I just came here, write the title of the shorts. I just say a day in the life of a Nigerian YouTuber living in Lagos. Guys, ignore the typo error. I was trying to be fast with the screen record. So yes, so that's it guys, and now you just click on upload your shorts. Now you don't have no boring shots without music, and the music you have on it is recommended views music. So I just go ahead and put my hashtag. I went for the hashtag vlog, hashtag YouTuber, and as you see, I'm going for the hashtag with the highest views. If I click on YouTuber, see I went with the hashtag that has over 4,031,000,000 views. That works, and that will help you a lot. And guys, I just posted the video. Thanks for watching.